Today, we will be installing a GWT 2131-69, which is a liftgate seal that installs on the upper body of the vehicle. It fits a 1969 to 1977 Ford Bronco. Let's get started.
Start by removing the seal off of the flange that's on the shell. A lot of this is very dry, so it's just going to fall off. But at the same time, we want to go ahead and make sure we're removing any of the old adhesive or any of the dirt or whatever's in the way. Go ahead and we'll remove the rest of the seal along the rest of the top. Now that we've got that weather strip out of the way, we're going to go along the flange, get it cleaned up with some weather stripping adhesive removal. We'll do this along both sides and the top. We've got the flange cleaned off. We're going to now start the reinstall by applying a 3M weather strip adhesive. First, we're going to apply it to the shell. I'm also going to do the other side and then the top. Now this is a two-part contact type of adhesive. We've already done the shell, so now we are going to apply the adhesive inside our weather strip. Along. But since I'm doing this by myself, I clamp it to this cardboard and that holds it in place. Then I can come along and apply the adhesive. Okay. The top and one side is complete. Now I will do the last section. Let this tack up and then we'll install it on the vehicle. Alright, so I'm going to take this weather strip and wrap it over the top of our upright. I'm going to start in this corner. Try to get that corner set where it needs to be. Now I set along the top the first couple inches. I'm going to clamp it in place this way as I work down the side. It will prevent it from sliding down out of that corner. Working that lip over the flange. Getting the weather strip to sit nice and straight and level. Okay, now we'll work our way across the top. A little bit of rust here so that flap on the back side is not going to sit flat. And we've come across a couple inches. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to go to the other corner and set that. Finishing up along this last side. Go around, double check, make some adjustments if we need to. We've got the weather strip in place. We'll go ahead. Test the closure of the rear gate. And you're done.